Hello, my name is Rod Kowicki. I don't know, seen some of my videos. Anyways, I'm a physicist. I've written 2 books on physics. One book on faster light speed space travel. My second book will be out in about a month or so. It's called The Celestial Nature of Gravity. And in reference to my first book, it's about faster light speed space travel. It's 500 pages, and I explain how faster light speed space travel is possible. My book stays within the parameters of E equals mc squared. So that's one thing. And for it to do that, for me to have a theory of faster light space travel, there has to be some kind of incorrect logic in Einstein's work. And that's what my book's about. That discrepancy about faster light speed space travel. My second book, and most importantly, because I want to introduce my second book as well as my first, is about gravity. When you talk about velocity, force, whether on Earth or in space, we're talking about some sort of gravity. What kind of gravity are we talking about? On Earth, we're talking about Earth's matter energy, which is gravity, and its effect on surface objects. In space, we're talking about the fabric of space. How that fabric, which acts as a gravity force holding the planets in position, let's say, to not fall. Gravity in space being 0-point energy, that means no energy. The mechanism for space gravity is the universe's angular momentum and weightlessness, the vacuum. And those are the things that correlate gravity in space. My book explains all them criteria in depth and relative to experiments and equations. Now, the celestial nature of gravity, I believe, is going to be the cradle or holy grail of gravity. So I explain things about space, the fabric of space, that's never been mentioned before. And it should have been. Most important fact is that I have been able to explain a theory on gravity that includes what its chemistry is, and how it works, and why it works, most importantly. In the second book that I've written, The Celestial Nature of Gravity, I also talk about the universe and how it might end. An important fact that the way things are going and the way gravity works, how we've got the Big Crunch, we've got the expanding universe, the Big Bang, and I illustrate, I speak on a lot of those, but mainly I speak on something that's never been talked about before, and that's how the universe is going to end, where we're headed for, where the universe is headed for, and what kind of dialogue belongs there. And I think the interested science must read My book, if taken very seriously, I believe would change physics. My book is formulated and founded on relativity. I make no adjustments. It's just my theory fits in there. It fits in there and it allows for faster light-speed space travel. If I don't change anything and my theory fits, there must be something in relativity that just isn't right. Am I correct? My second book, which is coming out, that's another point of view. It is the nature of gravity. What gravity is, how it works, and where the universe is headed. Start from a Big Bang. But I go instrumental into the birth of the universe, how I believe it evolved. I have just, I got a third book that I'm working on. It's almost finished. And it's into the mathematics of relativity. Those mathematics, I have found an adjustment in relativity that is very, I think is very important. Not only does it correlate with my first book, the supertelic universe, but it correlates with Einstein's theory on the infinite future, the ability to travel into the infinite future. I don't want to tell you what that theory is right now, but the sci-fi behind relativity is in traveling into the infinite future is an important fact. I think Einstein, I'll tell you this much, Einstein got the facts right, the math right, but he got the explanation wrong. And I'm giving you a new explanation on that. I'm also changing, showing that the speed of light is not constant in all it's thought to be, and what gravity is, how it works, and why we don't have gravity waves, why we won't find them, and why gravity is not a single particle. This is the problem. Scientists are steadily searching for a particle to define gravity with. They're spending all this money to search for something that I don't think exists. The same way as gravity waves. If gravity waves, gravity waves exist on Earth because, well, gravity waves they're not detected on Earth either, but gravity can be measured. Newton did that, 9.8 meters a second. Now, but there's still no waves, and my book goes into that. Like I said, I made one very interesting explanation on gravity, and like I said, my books will take it seriously. I think it will change the world we live in. The space age. I think the space age is an upcoming national or world event. I mean, it is now already, but I think we're headed to a time where new discoveries made in space is going to change the way we look at things on Earth. Anyways, I wish you'd look at my book, Celestial Nature of Gravity and the Supertelic Electromagnetic Gravitation Universe Technology Theory. My third book, I don't have a name yet, but I'm telling you it's important. I go into where we're headed as a universe, how it will end, why, what gravity is, its chemistry, and why, and all this relies on why faster light speed space travel is a fact of nature for space age. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Signing out, Rod Kubrick.